Making your writing shine. Dodging the repetition pitfall. Hello and welcome to our English learning series, where we help you sharpen your language skills. Today, we're focusing on an important aspect of advanced writing: avoiding repetition. Why is this important, you might wonder? Well, let's find out. Repetition in writing refers to the recurrence of the same words, phrases, or structures within a piece of text. While it's sometimes used for effect or emphasis, when overused, it can hinder the reading experience by making your work seem monotonous or uncreative. We know that variety is the spice of life, and the same holds true for writing. Here's why repetition can be a setback. 1. Monotony. Overuse of the same words or phrases can bore the reader and make your text monotonous. 2. Weakens impact. If a word is overused, its power and impact can be diminished. 3. Reduces clarity. Too much repetition can confuse the reader, making your message less clear. 4. Indicates lack of vocabulary. Over-reliance on the same vocabulary can imply a limited linguistic range. Remember, diversity in language use is key to vibrant, impactful writing. Now that we know why we should avoid repetition, let's explore some strategies on how to achieve this. 1. Use synonyms. Replace repeated words with their synonyms to add variety. 2. Antonyms for contrast. Use antonyms to create contrast and keep the reader engaged. 3. Varied sentence structure. Mix up your sentence lengths and structures. 4. Paraphrasing. If you need to repeat information, try to paraphrase instead of repeating the exact wording. Remember to always balance diversity and clarity. Don't replace words if it will make the sentence confusing or awkward. And there we have it. By dodging the pitfall of repetition, we can make our writing more engaging, clear, and impactful. Remember, the richness of English lies in its variety. Use that to your advantage, and you're sure to dazzle your readers. Thank you for joining us today, and here's to your ever-improving English writing skills.